What's the first thing you need to do? So what is A?
4,
What is B?
-4,
And what is C?
-1.
Okay. So remember, you guys, your A is always in front of x squared. Your B is always in front of the x term, and C is always the one that's left over without a. Now, does it open up or down? And why does it open up?
Because an A positive.
Now, you guys, on your homework, you don't have to tell me why, and you don't have to write the words open. But in your notes, you should always write more than you need. Okay? Now, what is the vertex?
I don't know.
Vertex is mid or
Is it the minimum point or the maximum point?
minimum?
It is the minimum point. And why is it the minimum
Because
point?
it's positive.
What is positive?
What, so it was negative to maximum?
Yes, if A was negative, it would be maximum.
Alright.
And so up and min always go together, down and max always go together.
Alright.
Now, y-intercept?
It's 0 or whatever.
-1.
Yep, 0, comma, -1. The y-intercept, that's always a good problem, always a good point that we're going to plot. Is why on Thursday the worksheet I gave you was plotting points, because we're going to have to plot points again for this.
Wait, so if it's negative, it goes.
So up and min always go together, and that's because A is positive. If A is negative, you would have written down and max. But your y-intercept, it does not matter if it's up or down. It always is going to be 0, comma, C. Now we need to find the axis of symmetry. And you guys, again, the axis of symmetry never changes whether it opens up or down. It's always the same. Okay, so what is B?
-4.
So now you guys, this means the opposite of B, and B is -4. So you write the -4 over 2 times A, and what is A?
4. Which is 8.
So what is the opposite of -4?
Positive.
4.
And what is 2 times 4?
8.
Okay, so in second period today, we talked a little bit about 4/8. A lot of people wrote 2, but it's 4/8, so that reduces down to,
1/2.
so my axis of symmetry is x equals 1/2.
Dude, that's only 1.5.
It usually is what?
You did the decimal?
Yep, which is 0.5. I thought you said 1.5. So it is 0.5. So when you go to plug it into the equation, you guys, you can either put 1/2 or you can put 0.5. It doesn't really matter to me. Your answer will be the same. So now I need to find the last thing, and that is the coordinates of the vertex.
You read,
Okay, so the coordinates of the vertex. Y equals 4x squared minus 4x minus 1. Wherever I see an x, I'm going to put 1/2.
So it's 4 times 1/2 to the second power minus 4 times 1/2 minus 1.
Now you can put 0.5 times 0.5, you guys, because 1/2 is 0.5. It doesn't really matter. Let me just show you what I would do. I would actually change it because it's a little bit easier. 4 times 0.5 times 0.5 minus 4 times 0.5 minus 1. So this equals -2. So the coordinates of my vertex, and you guys, you can use a calculator.
This is -2, comma 1/2.
Other way around.
Damn it.
1/2 over 1/2 comma -2. Remember, this says x, so your x coordinate always goes first. This is your y, it goes there, and that's the coordinates of the vertex.
You did love